Hello student, hope you are all well, and today I am starting my first video lecture. It is unit and measurement and dimensional formula, physical world measurement and dimensional formula. Okay, now first already Mr. Omlan sir already told what is physics, how we can apply physics. I am just again saying that what is physics if it is asked. Basically physics is a subject in which we deal with matter and energy and their interaction. Okay, by using physics we can explain the different phenomena happening in our world. Okay, so this is basically in broad way you can say what is physics. Okay, now if it is asked who are the fathers of physics, so you should know this. The fathers of physics are Isaac Newton, Sir Isaac Newton, Albert Einstein, and Galileo. These three great scientists are called fathers of physics. Okay, now today I am starting with this. Now, first, what is quantity? What is physical quantity? You have to know. There are many types of quantities, but physical quantity is different from other quantities. The physical quantities are those quantities which can measurable, are called physical quantities, like length, breadth, height, or mass, weight, pressure, force. We can measure all these quantities. So these quantities are called physical quantities. Some quantities are available like happiness, poorness, glad, how much you glad, richness. These are the quantities which cannot measurable. So these quantities are not physical quantities. Okay. Now in physical quantities we have to know what is unit first. It's very important, because if you know the length, but next question arises, what is if I say, just I'm giving one example, his height is 2. Okay, next question arises, after 2 what is 2 meter, 2 centimeter, 2 feet, 2 foot, like this. So unit is very important in physics. Okay, so it is definition is given unit. A unit of measurement is defined magnitude of a quantity defined and adopted by convention or by law that is used as a standard for measurement of some kind of quantity. It is basically adopted for measurement of some physical quantities. So basically you have to read three types of before starting any unit you have to know three types of system. Okay, you already I think learned these things. There are three types of system. One is CGS system called, another is FPS, MKS, or SI. Now CGS system, full form is centimeter. C means centimeter. It is the unit of length. Okay, unit of mass in CGS system is 59 gram, and unit of time in CGS system is written by second. Okay, so FPS, foot, pound, second. Unit of length in FPS system is foot. Unit of mass in FPS system, pound. Unit of time in FPS system, second. It is denoted by capital T. Okay, MKS. Okay, meter, kilogram, second, SI, international standard unit. And basically we will use this system only. Okay, so MKS in unit of length in MKS or SI system is meter. It is denoted by capital A. Length is denoted by capital A letter. Unit of mass in SI system or MKS system is kilogram, and unit of time in SI system or MKS system is second. So here unit of time in all this system is same. Only unit of length and mass are different here. Basically, this system or almost obsolete. We are not using this system presently. This system is used sometimes, but maximum time we use this system. Okay, like I am giving an example. In in CJ system, what is the unit of force? Unit of force in SI system is dyne. Okay, in FPS system it is pounder. Okay, and in SI system or NPS system it is Newton. Okay, so this unit will use a maximum times. Sometimes this unit also used. So now you just go through this section. Okay, you have to know some basic definition. These are the now you know unit of distance means we can measure the distance by meter. Bigger unit is kilometer, like this. One bigger unit is to measure the distance is one unit is light year. Though it seems that light year is a unit of, it seems to you that light year is a unit of time, but it is unit of distance, very large distance. Now what is the definition of light year? It is written over: the total distance traveled by light in 1 year is called light year. So what is the definition of light year? Total distance traveled by the light in 1 whole year is called light year. Now to find the value of light year, 1 light year equal to how much? How many? Now you have to know that, you already know that speed of light in vacuum or free space, if it's denoted by c, 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. You know this, I think. Okay, now using this, now 1 light year equal to what? 3 into 10 to the power 8 into 365 days into 24 hours into 3600 seconds. So it is converted to in second. So 9, after multiplying this, we will get 9.46 into 10 to the 15 meter. So this is the value of 1 light year. It is very big unit. By using this light year, we can measure the distance between Earth and Sun, Earth and other star, like this. So it is very big. Another unit is 1 astronomical unit. This is denoted by AU. What is the definition of 1 astronomical unit? This is the mean distance between Earth and the Sun is called 1 astronomical unit. Okay, this value is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. So if it is possible, you can memorize. Okay, definition you can easily memorize. It is the unit is the mean distance between the Sun and Earth. Okay, don't memorize this value. For light year, you memorize only this definition, then you can use this formula, as you know, S equal to Vt. After S means distance here, V means velocity of light, and T means time. 365 into 24 into 360, it's converted into second. So multiply this, you will get this result. Okay. So this type of definition you have to know. So you, after watching this video, you just note down this two definition. We will use this definition. Now how to convert one unit to another unit? You have to know this unit, value of this unit you have to know. Like 1 Armstrong equal to 10 to the power 10 meter. Okay, 10 to the power minus 10 meter. 1 micrometer equal to 10 to the power 6 meter. Okay, 1 kilometer, 10 to the power 3 meter. 1 centimeter, 10 to the power minus 2 meter. 1 millimeter, 10 to the power minus 3 meter. All are converted in meter unit. Okay, similarly 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power minus 9. Okay, minus 9 meter. Nano means 9. Okay, now if it is asked in any question that 1 meter is equal to how many nanometer, how to solve it? You already know that 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So 1 meter equal to 1 by 10 to the power minus 9 nanometer. So 1 meter equal to 10 to the power 9 nanometer. This is the answer. So 1 meter equal to 10 to the power 9 nanometer. So in this way, we have to solve this type of problem. Okay. Now, in next class, I will discuss about the how to find the dimensional formula. So before knowing the dimensional formula, you have to know the some formula, basic formula. You have to know. Okay. So the first, you know all these things. Area of a rectangle A into A cross A into B. A is the length and here B is the breadth. Okay. The area of a square, where A is the side of a square. Volume of cube, A cube. Now area of circle, pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h, or L here, h means height. Okay. Volume of the cylinder, pi r square h. Area of the sphere, 4 pi r square. Volume of sphere, 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of hemisphere, 2 by 3 pi r cube. This formula you have to know. Okay. So now this is the basic formula, a mathematical formula. You have to know. You have to use this formula frequently. So it is better to memorize all this formula. You already know this formula. So okay. Now some physical formula you have to memorize also. You already know that S equal to, or you can write in this way, V equal to S by T. Okay. Number 1, number 2, where V is the velocity, S is displacement, and T is time. Okay. Now V equal to U plus 8T, where V is the final velocity, U is the initial velocity, A is the acceleration, T is the time. Number 3, S equal to ut plus half at square. Okay, S means displacement, U initial velocity, A acceleration, and v square equal to u square plus 2as. Here v square final velocity, u initial velocity, is the displacement. Okay, you just memorize this formula, already you know. And again you have to memorize some basic formula also, like you know F equal to A means force, M is mass of the object, A is acceleration. Okay. Number 2, work done, W equal to Fs. Work done is denoted by W. F means force, S is displacement. Okay. So W equal to Fs. Number 3, P equal to W by T. P means here power, rate of doing work is called power. This formula. Number 4, pressure, P equal to F by A. Force per unit area is called pressure. Here F is force, A is area. Okay. Here P means pressure. Here P is power. Okay. Now kinetic energy, A dot E, half mv square. M is mass, V is velocity. Potential energy, P dot E. This is the short form, mgh. Okay. M means mass, G is acceleration due to gravity, H is the height. So these more formula there. These are the basic formula we have to use frequently. So you memorize this formula. Okay. So that in next class I will start the dimensional formula, how to write. So before going to that chapter, you just go through all this formula. We have to use all this formula, and after watching this video lecture, I will give some numerical problem. You have to solve it. Okay. Thank you.